How to make Instagram account private. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram profile private so that only people that you want to see your Instagram content can see it. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so in order to make our Instagram account private, the first thing we need to do is open up the Instagram app on our iPhone or Android phone and then select your profile icon in the bottom right of the app. Once you're on your Instagram profile, we need to open the menu by selecting the three horizontal lines in the top right of the app, and then in the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Now that we're in Settings and Privacy, the first thing we need to do is ensure that we have a personal Instagram account, because if you have a professional Instagram account or a business Instagram account, you will not be able to make that account private. And in order to check that, from Settings and Privacy, scroll down just a little bit, and if you see For Professionals, that means you have a professional Instagram account or a business Instagram account. So go ahead and select that. Then scroll all the way down to the bottom and select Switch Account Type. From here, all we need to do is select Switch to Personal Account. Confirm that you want to switch to a personal account. Once you've done that, select the back button. And from here, all we need to do is scroll down a little bit and find Who Can See Your Content and select Account Privacy. Now all we need to do is toggle on Private Account, confirm Switch to Private. It's going to give us a chance to review our followers because keep in mind, those are the only people that can see your content on Instagram now. And now we can go back to our account and refresh it. And we now have a private account on Instagram. All right, so that's how you make your Instagram account private. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.